Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. In the tutorial today I will show you how to test the Node API using Mocha and Chai. Firstly, go to the GitHub link that I provide you in the description of this video and then clone my repository and open the command line in the root directory of the project folder and run npm install. And after that you need to create a dev.js file in the config folder that store the Mongo URI. This is the model folder that store the post schema. I use Mongo schema for the model, and this is the route folder that store all my requests, get, post, push, and delete. Next, I will run to test is this working or not. I type npm dev. Okay, and I navigate to localhost 5000 slash post. Okay, we got one post in our DB. Okay, the application is run. Next, I will install some package. I type npm install save dev jive Mocha and supertest. And I go to the package.json folder as the script test Mocha HTML 10,000. Okay, and some our dependency packages have installed successfully. So in the root directory, I create a new folder named test. And I create a new test JS. Then I declare expect from Chai. And the request from supertest. Create a test function as example to check whether hash testing working or not. In this file, I will create hello world as a function and return hello world. And the second function is multiply, return a, multiply b, Okay, and I back to the app test.js file. Call test function. And I call it. And then I starting to write the test code. This write test function. We will test the hello world function first. Okay. Hello. The result of hello function should return hello world. Expect hello world to equal to hello world. Okay, I must call hello world function from the test function. Hello world test function. Hello. I missed the L here. Okay, I missed the O letter here. Let's save and I will go to my command screen and type npm run test. Hello world is not a function. Okay, we check what's wrong here. Hello world. Okay. Hello world. I missed the L letter. And I will run the test again. And this time we pass the case. And I will run another case. Result should be a string. Expect hello world to be a string. And I run the test again. npm run test. Okay, two cases are passing, and now I will create a test case for the multiply function. Multiply function. Okay, I just copied it. Multiply test function multiply 4 and 4, and I will copy multiply here, here, and that will be equal to 60. The result of multiply function should be a number. And now I back to the command string and I run npm run test again. And you see we have passed 4 cases. Let's try. That will return false and we cannot pass the case. Okay, just 3 cases passing and the last case is fail. Okay, and now I will try another value. The result should be 20. Okay, I run the test again and on passing. Okay, and in this video we have already finished the setup for Mocha and Chai testing, and in the next video I will show you how to test the Nodejs API application. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.